ninth chapter, differentiation. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1B, part 30. Last part completed parametric differentiation method problems. Today discuss this class implicit function differentiation. What is the meaning of implicit function? A function y is equal to f of x defined by capital F of x comma y equal to 0. The function y equal to f of x is defined by capital F of x comma y equal to 0 is called an implicit function. In order to find in this form f of x comma y equal to 0 form, function is called implicit function. In order to find the derivative of such function nothing but this implicit function, differentiate f with respect to x on equal to 0. The differentiation this function with respect to x, remaining value is constant, nothing but y constant value, a remaining constant value is derivative equal to 0. This is the implicit function. In this implicit function in the form of f of x comma y equal to 0, the function having x comma y both variables, that function is called implicit function. In this implicit function you can derivative with respect to x, y also be considered in terms of x. After that once again derivative y. This is a way of you can do that differentiation of implicit function. Next problems of in this implicit function. First one, find the derivative of the following function or find the dy by dx also be similar. First problem, x cube plus y cube minus 3axy equal to 0. This function is implicit function. Why? Because this function having x comma y both terms, x comma y both terms, that function is called which function? Implicit function. In this implicit function you can derivative on both sides with respect to x. With respect to x, we get dy by dx of x cube plus dy by dx of y cube minus 3 get common, dy by dx of x into y equal to 0. After that, what is the derivative of x cube? X cube derivative is 3x square. Once again derivative with respect to x is nothing but 1. Y cube derivative is 3y square into derivative of y. Minus 3a get common. You can use here uv formula. Which formula? Uv formula. What is the formula of uv? U into nothing but x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x equal to 0. Derivative is always 0. That's why you can write 3x square plus 3y square into y derivative dy by dx minus 3a into x into y derivative dy by dx plus y into x derivative is 1 equal to 0. After that this term multiply your internally 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx minus 3ax into dy by dx minus into plus minus 3ay into 1 you get 3ay. See students, you can find here dy by dx. Here in this 4 term, how many dy by dx terms is there? 2 dy by dx terms. You can write these 2 terms. You can common dy by dx. You get what? 3y square minus 3ax. You can common these 2 terms dy by dx. Remaining term is what? Remaining term, this term goes to here plus 3ay. This term goes to right hand side minus 3x square. After that dy by dx equal to what? Dy by dx equal to 3a by minus 3x square by 3y square minus 3ax. In this term, dy by dx is equal to numerator. Which one is common? Numerator 3 is common. Denominator also with 3 is common. You can common 3 in numerator. Ay minus x square. You can common 3 in denominator. Y square minus ax. In this 2 term 3 get cancelled. Remaining what? Remaining dy by dx is equal to ay minus x square by y square minus x square. This is the value of dy by dx. Understood or not? First, given function in terms of x comma y, that is implicit function. That implicit function you can derivative on both sides with respect to x by using in this way. After that you can separate a dy by dx terms to remaining terms. You can find a dy by dx in this way. This is 2 marks important problem in implicit function in IT examination. This model problems 2 marks. Problem is y power x is equal to x power sine y. See students, this is exponent form. Here base function and exponent also be function. Here base function and index also be function. Here exponent form, base and index both are function. That type of problems you can use which method? Logarithmic method. That's why you can apply both side log. Applying on both side. Applying on both side logarithm. You get what? You get what? Log y power x is equal to log x power sine y. Here you can use the log a power m formula. Log a power m. What is the formula of log a power m? This is a, this is m. This is a, this is m. Log a power m formula is what? M into log a. M nothing but x into log y. That is equal to sine y into log x. After that you can derivative with respect to x on both sides. You get what? D by dx of x into log y is equal to d by dx of sine y into log x. See students, this problem you can identify that is which method, substitution or logarithmic or implicit or parametric. Here first of all given function is implicit function, but in this implicit function this is exponent form is there. That exponent form you can use logarithm. At a time in this implicit method you can use the logarithmic method. That identification is very important. You can do that problem. Okay students. After that you can use this is uv, this is also the uv. U into v derivative what? U into v derivative x into derivative of log y plus log y into derivative of x is equal. Here also be uv formula. What is that uv formula? Sine y into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of sine y. Here you can use uv formula. Here also we can use uv formula. uv derivative u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. Similarly both sides you can use same formula, that is uv formula. Here x into log y derivative is what? Log x derivative you know that 1 by y into d by dx of y plus log y into what is the derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1, that is equal to sine y into derivative of log x. Derivative of log x is what? Derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into sine x derivative is, you know that sine x derivative is cos x. That's why you can write cos y into derivative of y. Understood or not? Cos x, sine x derivative is cos x, but here in place of x is what is there? Y is there. That's why 1 second derivative with the y on both sides. That's why you can write x by y into dy by dx. X by x into 1 by y nothing but x by y into dy by dx plus log y into 1 nothing but log y is equal to sine y into 1 by x nothing but you can write sine y by x. Sine y by x plus log x into cos y into dy by dx into dy by dx. After that you can write dy by dx terms is one side, remaining terms is another side. You can write this is dy by dx term. You can write this term here, this term here. After that you can x by y into dy by dx minus log x into cos y into dy by dx is equal to, here this plus goes to here minus, here sin y by x is there, sin y by x is there, minus log y by, no denominator is there, you can write 1. Here also the denominator in this two term you can common dy by dx. You get what? X by y minus log x by 1 is equal to, in this two term you have to take LCM, that is x. You get what? Sin y minus x into log y. You can find here dy by dx only. You can find dy by dx. Here dy by dx you can find dy by dx is into, here you have to take LCM y x minus y log x is equal to sin y minus x into log y by x. After that, this term goes to right handed side. This numerator goes to right hand, that is denominator. Interchange numerator and denominator. You get to dy by dx is equal to what? Sin y minus x into log y whole by x into interchange nothing but you can write x minus y log x by y, that's can write y by x minus y log x. After that you can write what? Here you can write y by x is the what? Dy by dx equal to y into sin y minus x log y whole by x into x minus y log x. This is the dy by dx value. This is also we can add y by x into sin y minus x log y whole by x minus y log x. This is a very important. In this model problems are coming to the 4 marks or 7 marks in IP examination. Especially in this implicit method, at a time logarithmic method using models are very useful. You can find the differentiation. Today assignment problems are homework problems is first problem y is equal to x power I. Here x power y, here xy function both are is there, this is implicit function. Here exponent form is there, here base and index both are functions, that's why you can use logarithm method. You can write this one is log y is equal to log x power y, that's why log y is equal to, we can write y into log x. After the derivative d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of y into log x. Here you can use UV formula. This you can simplify this total previous problem model, separated dy by dx terms and the remaining terms. You get answer, that is you can find here dy by dx is equal to how much. This hint is you can use total problem, you can solve previous problem model. You can use here which formula? UV formula. UV derivative is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u, that is the formula. After that, next one is what? Here if x power y equal to y power x, then show that dy by dx equal to this one. Dy by dx one is already given. Dy by dx is already proved that dy by dx value also be given already. There x power y equal to y power x is there. In this x power y equal to y power x, here xy both functions having x comma y, this is implicit function. In this implicit function, here exponent having two functions, base and index both are function, that's why this function you can use logarithmic. That's why you can write what here? Log x power y equal to log y power x. M into log a, y into log x is equal to x into log y. After that, derivative on both sides with respect to dx. d by dx of y into log x is equal to d by dx of x into log y. Here you can use UV formula. Here also you can use UV formula. What is the formula of UV? U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. You can use this term and you can use this term, both terms. After that, separated dy by dx terms, separated dy by dx terms and the remaining terms, you get the dy by dx answer is this one. This is a very important problem in 7 marks in IP examination. These two problems are hint is given. You can use this hint to solve total problem, previous problem model. Okay.